are up to 10 median days, but inventory is coming to the market. It's Friday, July 23rd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly update of what's happening at a local level in the Annapolis real estate market. There are 189 homes for sale in all zip codes of the Annapolis area, and this is up 15% from the recent inventory, but still down from last year's 278 homes for sale. This time of year, the 5-year average of inventory is about 473 homes for sale. So we're looking at being off by about 60% this month. There are 22 homes for sale priced under $300,000, 31 homes for sale over $1 million, and 13 homes for sale priced more than $2 million. Homes listed for sale over $1 million are actually going under contract fairly quickly, just 11 days. This is actually down from the normal 39 days we saw in 2019. So, what are the inventory numbers for this week? 39 homes were listed for sale, 22 homes are coming soon, 29 homes went under contract, and 32 are temporarily off the market, 18 moved to pending, and 49 sold over the past week. This is down from the prior week. The highest price home to sell in Annapolis this past week was in West Annapolis for $5 million. A few more rentals are on the market, 19, priced between $1,695 per month and $6,000 per month. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free Summer Edition Home Buyer or Home Seller Guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 23rd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also, be sure to find our podcast on your favorite podcast service or on your Google or Alexa devices. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.